Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another topic related to COBOL, where we will learn how we can perform COBOL or division operation by handling the size error. Okay, so there might be some scenarios in your project where you might face some issues related to variable size while performing the division operation. So to handle that situation, we have one keyword like on size error that we can utilize in order to maintain the error. Okay, so my question is like how we will proceed with the session. We will proceed in the same manner. If like firstly I'll walk you through the code and I'll explain you each and every line of the code written in this TSCB PGM73. So as at the moment I have just noted down the basic structure of COBOL program, and then we will write this code from scratch. Okay, firstly I'll explain you the basic syntax and then we will write the code from scratch to understand like how we can implement the divide statement along with on size error keyword. Okay, so I think now we are good to start, but just before that I would like to recommend you to go and check out the previously released sessions first if you have not watched, because those these all sessions of playlist are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay, but if you have not, because each and every session is in proper is connected with each other. Okay, so if you follow them, then it would be easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. So I think now we are good to start with the session. So it's time to take the program in edit mode. So I'll take option 2 for TSCB PGM73. Okay, so here you can see we have just noted down the basic syntax so far, which include identification division. So why do we need identification division? So whenever you want to store some program information, program identity related information into source, then you can utilize this identification division block. Here you will here you can find we have noted down two information. One is program ID denoting program name, which is TSCBPGM73, and another one is author, which is denoting author name, Tech Sharmit. Clear? So these are the two things that we have mentioned here. After that, what we are doing from line number 5 to line number 7, we are initializing the comment line. So these are the comment line. Okay, so how to initiate the comment? Like when you want to make any particular line commented, then in that case place your cursor on the very first position, and from here you can count till 7. So I'll count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is 7th position. Now in 7th position you can place asterisk, and after that whatever you will write will be considered as a comment line. Okay, so these three lines are the comment line because in all of these three lines we have put the asterisk on 7th position. Okay, then we have mentioned the like why we are using this comment line, these three comment line, just to show you the comment in a box like structure. So I'll just created this box like structure and mention the topic name, which is division with on size error. So this is just to show the topic name, but comment are always recommended. Like whenever you are writing a code, make sure to provide the required comment. Okay, fine. Now I think we are good to write the main logic, and after that, like you can see, we are using stop run. So whenever program reaches this line, it will terminate the program flow. But before that, we are supposed to write some data or the logic. So let me add 20 blank line here. Here I'll put something like this. Okay, fine. Now what we will do, we will place the cursor on this position, which is identification division, and then we will write the main. Okay, so let's start with data division. As we know that for any demo we need variables to perform something, so it's time to declare the variables, and variables is always declared in data division block. So declare it data division. Okay, and under this data division we will write the working storage section. So working hyphen storage section. Okay, and under this working storage section we will write our first variable. So how to declare the variable? So to declare the variable, we are supposed to put level number. So firstly I'm specifying level number as 01, which is denoting higher data hierarchy, and then we will specify the variable name or data name here. So for example, if I want to specify variable name or data name as profit1, so I will write here profit1, then PIC denoting picture clause, 9 of 3 denoting the numeric 3 digit. Okay, and then we will use value clause to store the value, for example 900. Okay, so what we did so far, like we have just declared one variable with the name profit1 and initialize the value 900, and this variable can hold up to 3 digit numeric value. Okay, fine. Now we will specify another variable which is profit1, profit2. So I'll make it specify here 01 profit2 PIC 9 of 3 value, and here I will specify the value as maybe 2. We can specify just to perform a division, and like just here you can specify it as 2, and below to this we will mention another variable for storing the result. So for that you can write 01 again, variable name would be result, and PIC 9 of 1. So for now I'm just specifying it 9 of 1. Why? Because I want to show you the on size error condition. Okay, fine. Apart from this, what you can see here, we are not utilizing value clause here. Okay, and the reason is that because in result variable we are going to collect the information which we are getting which we are receiving after the division operation. So that's why I'm not specifying anything here. Fine. I think now we are good to start with the procedure division. Okay, so in this procedure division we will write here the firstly let's print the actual values and then we will perform the operation. Okay, so display profit 1 value before any modification would be like this, and here I will write profit 1. Clear? Fine. After that what we will write, we will repeat the same line. Let's make it as profit 2. Profit 2 value before any modification is profit 2. Fine. We are not going to print a result now because we know that it is not initialized, so for sure it is blank. But if you want to print, you can print, but for now I'm not printing it. And let's go and write the main part of the program, which is divide. So divide statement, I want to divide profit 1 by profit 2 giving result with on size error. So this is the structure. Okay, this is how you are supposed to write on size error, and don't terminate it here. Okay, don't use this point to terminate it here. Instead we will write another command which is display result. Okay, after result you can specify here variable name, for example result. Alright, so I think now we are ready with this statement, and you can see profit 1 by profit 2 giving result on size error, display result and result. Okay, so what this line will do, okay, sorry, I think we did a mistake here. Instead of result we are supposed to print overflow here. Why? Because we are going to handle the error. Okay, so this is for handling the error, not for printing the result. So here we will write overflow occurred. Okay, overflow occurred, and here we will terminate it. So what it will do, these two line will perform the division operation, and if there is any size error, so it will print the message on this overflow occurred. Okay, and then later on we will print the actual message if everything is okay. Even if it is not okay, it will print 0, otherwise it will print the actual value. So here we will write result and result. Clear? And then we have stop run. So when we remove the unnecessary line, it will terminate the program. Okay, stop run. So let's try to see the output. I'll just compile it and call it. So after a call, you can see profit 1 value before any modification is 900, profit 2 value before any modification is 2, and overflow is occurred. Why? Why it is happening? Because we are trying to divide 900 with 2. So output would come like 450, but we have the size of a result variable is only one digit, right? It can hold only one digit. That's why it is giving error that overflow occurred. You are trying to assign the value of 3-digit length into 1-digit length variable, and that's why it is coming like this: overflow occurred. Okay, and result is 0. So if, let's say, if we change this value to 3 again, so in this case it will not print the message, which is, it will not show overflow occurred, because this time it should work perfectly, because we have 3-digit value and it should accommodate the value. So 902, and the output is 450, and you can see it is not showing that overflow message here. So this is the recent output. Okay, it is not showing the over. Previously it was coming, right? So this is how we can utilize the on-size error with divide operate statement. So I hope the session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.